Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. I've just taken delivery of a new Song Meter Micro wildlife recorder. Let's see what's in the box. Here is a sheet of paper called Get Started Faster. This paper provides step-by-step instructions, including links to download the Song Meter Configurator app and the complete user guide. I have high-quality AA batteries and an approved micro SD memory card ready to go. I'll take the Song Meter Micro out of the box. There's the mounting bracket on the top of the recorder. The lid of the Song Meter Micro snaps onto the recorder. I'll turn the Song Meter Micro sideways and grasp the edges of the lid with my fingers as I gently press down in the middle with my thumbs. Here is the interior of the Song Meter Micro. I see the battery holder and the micro SD memory card holder. Here is the on-off power switch, and next to that is the pair button. To the right of the pair button are the status LEDs. On the side of the recorder is the serial number and the built-in microphone. Basic instructions and a description of the status LEDs are printed on the inside of the lid. I'll insert 3 AA batteries. I can use alkaline nickel metal hydride or even lithium AA batteries. As I insert each battery, I'll take care to make sure the polarity is correct. And now I'll insert the micro SD memory card. The Song Meter Micro is programmed via an app which runs on either an iOS or Android device. The Song Meter Configurator app can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play. To make it even easier, I can scan the QR code from the Get Started Faster instruction sheet. I'll check to make sure Bluetooth is enabled on my mobile device, and then I'll launch the Song Meter Configurator app. The first screen which opens is the Recorders screen. Slide the power switch on the Song Meter Micro recorder to the on position. The first time you do this, you may notice the Bluetooth LED flashing red. That's normal and indicates the clock of the recorder needs to be set. We'll do that in the next step. Once the Song Meter Micro is powered on and is within Bluetooth range, it is detected by the Configurator app and then listed in the Recorders screen. I'll press and hold the pair button for 3 seconds. The Bluetooth LED blinks green, indicating the recorder is ready to pair with the app. A pair icon is now displayed in the recorder screen. I'll tap the pair icon, and the recorder and app are now in full communication. You may get a series of messages about configuring the time zone and location. Tap Yes for each of these. Next, I'll tap the Configure icon. The Paired Configuration Editor screen opens. The Song Meter Micro has uploaded its current settings to this screen. I'll leave all the default settings for now and just choose a preset recording schedule. I think I'd like to explore the songbirds in my neighborhood, so I'll select a schedule which records from sunrise to sunset each day until either the batteries are depleted or the memory card is full. The change I make in the Configurator app immediately updates the paired Song Meter Micro recorder. I'll go back to the Recorders screen and tap the Unpair icon. The Song Meter Micro is no longer paired with the Configurator app. If I wanted to make any further changes to the recorder, I will need to pair it with the app again. But if all I need to do is check the status of the Song Meter Micro, I can tap the Status icon. The status screen shows information regarding storage space and battery charge and does not require the recorder to be paired with the Configurator app. If the Song Meter Micro is deployed in an environment with high humidity or temperature swings sufficient to cause condensation, drop in a fresh desiccant packet before deployment. More details regarding desiccant packets can be found in the user guide. Now I am ready to deploy my new Song Meter Micro wildlife recorder. You can see I've used a zip tie to secure the recorder to a tree. Make sure the power switch is in the on position. It is important to make sure the lid of the Song Meter Micro is closed properly. Be careful you don't close one side of the lid tightly, but the other side is not properly latched. If this happens, take the lid off and start again. I'll slide the lid over the recorder, making sure both top and bottom line up. I'll center the lid over the recorder and press down gently so I can feel the lid is seated evenly at all four corners. Don't press on the surface of the lid. Press down on the edges at a slight angle, and you'll feel and hear 2 solid clicks as the lid snaps into place. Thank you for watching.